Wow, I totally derailed my weight loss before it even began. And this is what happened. Okay, so I learned a very valuable lesson just basically the end of my first week into my carnivore diet weight loss journey. I basically sabotaged my weight loss right towards the middle of that first week. It didn't set me back, it just paused my weight loss. And it was very frustrating. I couldn't figure out what it was that did this. I'm like, whoa, I lost a few pounds initially really quick, and I was like, this is working, and I'm filling myself up, and this is doing what everybody says it does. And then all of a sudden, bam, stall for like 2 days. And I'm like, this isn't making a whole lot of sense, because I'm taking in this high fat protein, and then I know I'm getting rid of it, and I'm drinking, a lot of water. Like, I was drinking so much water, tons of water, and I'm like, I'm doing what they're saying. I'm not having any headaches, I'm not having any cramps or anything like that. I'm taking my electrolytes because I knew I needed to supplement with my electrolytes because I was taking in so much water, eating the high fat, protein diet and everything. I thought I was doing the right thing, and I was. Unfortunately, I was doing it with the wrong product. What I mean by that is I took something that I thought was a very healthy option to get your electrolytes in your body. It's very popular, and I even recommended this to my mother-in-law like a couple months ago. But where I messed up was I did not read the nutrition label on the box. I didn't. That was a big mistake, because it turns out that this product right there, when you look at that box, it actually has 5% carbohydrate and 22% sugar. 22% sugar. I mean, when I see something now and I see 1 or 2%, I just put that bad boy down. But 22% sugar says total sugar is 11 grams, includes 11 grams of added sugar. So yeah, that derailed me for, I'd say, like 3 days, and I actually think I gained a little bit of weight because it stalled out for like 2 days, and then I think I gained a little bit of weight. That day that I gained a little bit of weight was when I noticed that I read that box, lesson learned, read your labels, read the nutritional values. So I immediately switched from that, gulped down a bunch of water for the next 2 days, and then I found this product by Propel at my Sam's Club, and I look at the box, I look at the nutritional values and everything. Okay, it's 0 fat, 9% sodium, carbs 0, and sugars 0, and there's no artificial coloring in this. So for me, now there's probably some bad stuff in here that makes it taste good, but I'm on my journey. Let's check it out real quick. Yeah, there's totally stuff in here that's probably not good for me. Adds a dietary insignificant amount of sugar. So what it's saying is there is some sugar in here, but it's a non-measurable amount of sugar. And like I said before in my previous video, when I'm looking at spices and maybe rubs that are already put together and everything, if I see on the nutritional facts, if I don't see that the sugar and the carbs are listed on there with some sort of numbered percentage amount, then I don't worry about it. What I will end up seeing towards the bottom of where the ingredients are at, if it's like one of the very last things that says sugar in there, that usually means, from what my understanding is that it's such a low amount of sugar, it doesn't measure enough to even put in here as your serving size, your daily serving size, or anything like that, or any proportional measurable amount. So I feel that that's okay. Now that's for me. You might be different, but for me, I feel that that's been working, and it's really hard just to get rid of all sugar. So a little bit amount in these things, I think, is sustainable. And if you watch my previous video from my end of week 2, you'll see I lost 10 pounds in 2 weeks. And I tell you what, I did not step 1 foot in a gym to do so. I did not exercise for 1 minute at all in the past 2 weeks. Why? I have a knee injury, and I'm a dad of 2 young boys. I have multiple gigs. I own a media company, and so I am crazy busy all the time. Working out right now just is not something I can fit in my daily schedule. I just can't make that extra time to do that. I need to lose weight for multiple reasons, for my health and everything. I'm an older dad. I'm 44 years old, so I've got to get fit just to be able to keep up with my boys. But also, I got this bum knee. I might need surgery. So I want to lose a bunch of weight as quick as I can. And that is another purpose for me to be on this carnivore diet. I'm just sharing this with you. That way you don't make the same mistake I made. There are a lot of great products on the market right now for getting your electrolyte supplement. There's another company, I believe their name is Element. I haven't tried them yet, but a lot of other people that are on a carnivore diet are. I can't find it easily in my store. So Propel, I'm finding this stuff everywhere right now. And I will say this, I did learn that there is actually a sugar-free option for this stuff. So that might be an option for you as well. I'm not saying the Liquid IV is a bad company. Honestly, I love this stuff. It's just the one I picked up actually had way too much sugar in it. Lesson learned. Read your labels. That's what you're going to end up doing. You are going to be a label reader all the time. That's what you need to do to be successful on this diet. That's the way I feel about it. Hey everybody, if you got any value out of this at all, please do me a huge favor. Like this video, comment what are you using as an electrolyte supplement to get into your body? What is your favorite? What tastes the best? You know, also, I use this because this is the only sweet thing I get in my daily diet, and I am basically a sodaholic, a diet sodaholic, so this has helped me out. What are you using to get a little bit of sweetness in your diet? What are you using to get your electrolytes into your diet? Please leave that in the comments for everybody to be able to see that, and for me too. I'm new at this. I'm learning as well. Share this video with your friends or your family that are needing an electrolyte supplement on what not to get, what to look for. That way they don't go down that same negative journey that I was just about to get into. And then subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build a healthy community. That way everybody can kind of come together and share their journeys on their weight loss and their health and the carnivore life, the ketovore life, and my version of it, flavor living. Thanks for joining me on Carnivore Diet Life. We'll see you on the next one.